Hello, my beautiful people. Are you looking for a hairstyle that is crisp, classy, and stays perfect for weeks? Welcome to the world of stitch braids. This isn't just a hairstyle, it's a masterpiece. What sets stitch braids apart is the precision. By creating thin horizontal lines, your stylist creates that iconic stitched effect that looks sharp from every single angle. The best part of this hairstyle is the versatility. You can rock a sleek high ponytail for the gym or sophisticated low bun for a wedding. Or you can go for the classic straight all backs for that everyday glow. This hairstyle is perfect for the woman on the move. No frizz, no daily styling. Just wake up, lay your edges, and you are ready to conquer the world. So it's time to give your hair the royal treatment. Try out the elegant stitch braids. They are bold, beautiful, and make you uniquely you. So guys, do well to watch this video to the end to see all the stitch fit-in braids we have created just for you. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. If you found this video helpful, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.